Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is math.
Yes, this is math period. We will wait for 1 more minute. Let's see if more students are joining.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think we have to start from 19th.
Yes, we have to start from 19th question.
Sir, can we do ourselves?
Yes, try it.
Okay, sir. This is very easy. Sir, 3 questions are left.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Radius.
Start doing question number 19, all of you.
Sir, I am doing.
Yes.
Sir, it's the all are very easy. 7/2 circumference of the field. Of the wheel 2 pi r. Sir, I have find the circumference.
Very good, beta. Find the diameter. You have to find the diameter also.
No, sir, we have to find how many revolutions will it to make in 121 kilometer.
Have you all done question 19, all of you? Please post your answer.
Sir, I am on the last part. Pachas upon X. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, I'm posting, sir, please.
Post it in the group. The diameter of I'm doing it on the board also. The diameter of a wheel of a car is 77 centimeter. There is a wheel of car. The diameter of the wheel of car is given 77 centimeter. Okay, that means the radius is 77 upon 2 centimeters. How many revolution will it make to travel 121 kilometers?
Sir, please
The
check my app
distance.
posted.
Okay. The distance is given in this case. Total distance to be covered is given. You have to tell that how many revolutions will it take to cover 121 kilometers. So first you find the circumference with the help of this. The radius. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Find it.
Sir, 242 centimeter, and then we will
Correct.
convert in meters, so it will
242
be
centimeters.
242.
And how many, how much distance is to be covered? The distance is to be covered.
121 kilometer.
Distance to be covered is equals to 121 kilometers, which is equals to 121,000,000 centimeters. Do you all know how to change from kilometer to centimeter?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Beta, from kilometer to meter, if you change, you multiply by 1000. And if you change from meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. So that means to
Sir,
change from kilometer to centimeter, you will multiply by 1000 and by 100 also. Multiply the 1000 and multiply by 100. So that means you will have to multiply by 1 lakh. Got it? You will change it in from kilometer to centimeter. Okay.
sir, but I have done by another method.
No problem. All the methods are accepted. It should be correct. So number of revolutions. How will you find out number of revolutions? Distance covered. Total distance to be covered upon distance covered in one revolution. So 121,000,000 1 2 3 4 5 divided by distance covered in one revolution. Okay, so when you divide it, you get 5,000,000 revolutions. That means 50,000 revolutions. Clear, all of you? 50,000 complete
Sir,
revolutions.
please check my.
I'm checking your answers.
Sir, this exercise was very easy.
Very good, correct answer. Other students, why are you not posting your answer? Please post your answer, all of you. Now,
So next question, we will first we will convert 11 kilometer in 1000, and first we will find the radius, and the double will be of diameter.
question number 20. A bicycle wheel makes 5,000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometers. Okay, 5,000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometers. Okay, so find the circumference. We can find the circumference by simply
Yes, sir.
dividing the
Sir,
total distance
2
by
in
the distance
sir, 2 multiplied by
by number of
22
revolutions.
multiplied by 7, 5,000 multiplied by r, and if r comes, so all will be in denominator.
So we can find circumference by simply dividing the total distance by number of revolutions. Okay. Total distance is 11 kilometers and number of revolutions are
Sir, we will
5,000.
change in meter.
If we change it in meter, it will be 11,000 meters upon 5,000. So
Sir, 3030
3030.
cut.
So 11 upon 5 meter is the circumference. Okay. We can change it in centimeter also. Let it be in meters
Sir, by
only.
multiply by 100.
Let it be in meter. So circumference, formula of circumference is 2 pi r. We know the circumference in this case 11 upon 5. Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is not given, so we can find it. So to
Radius,
find
and we
radius,
will
11 into
double the
7, 11 upon 5 into 7 upon 22 into 2. Okay, cross multiplication. So 11 and 22 you can cut, you get 2 in the denominator. So this is
7 upon 10.
7
Sorry, 7
upon
upon 20.
20 meters. If we change it in centimeter, we get 7 upon 20 multiplied by 100 centimeters. So that means you get 35 centimeters as the radius. Diameter is equal to 2r, therefore 70 centimeters.
Sir, but first the answer is 220 centimeter.
Which one? You are saying that circumference is 220 centimeter. That is what you are saying. We have
Yes,
calculated
sir.
the circumference in meter. If you want, you can change it in centimeter also by multiplying it by 100. 11 upon 5 into 100. Now it is changed in centimeter. So what is this in centimeter? 20 into 11 is 220 centimeters. Okay. Not compulsory. If you want, you
Yes,
can
sir.
change it in centimeter also.
Sir, like if the sir question it is 1 meter, and then other two values are in centimeter, and sir, if sir, like sir, in sir exercise 20 the one question was there, and sir, in that I have converted the answer in centimeter, but in answer sheet it is showing that the
No
answer was in
problem.
meter.
No problem. Yeah, until it is mentioned in the question that find your answer in meter, then you should find your answer in meter. If it is not mentioned in the question, then you can find your answer in meter, centimeter, kilometer, whatever you like. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, exercise completed almost.
21. The hour and minute hands of a clock are 4.2 centimeter and 7 centimeter long respectively. Find the sum of the distances covered by their tips in one day. Very good. So let me make a clock. This is a clock, suppose. Okay. And okay, I will make it later on. This circle. Suppose this is a clock.
So, sir, we have to make also.
Yes, it will be better if you draw. And this is the center of the clock. Okay. We all know that the clock has a particular minute hand and it also has a hour hand. Suppose this is the hour hand of the clock and this is the minute hand. So minute hand, the tip of the minute hand means this point, the where you can see the arrow. This point is the tip of the minute hand and this point is the mid tip of the hour hand, the arrow. Okay. If the minute hand completes 1 hour, then it covers of the tip of the minute hand covers one circle. Am I right? One circular rotation it completes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, our hand completes one rotation in how much time? Our hand, one rotation. How much time? It covers one rotation in 12 hours. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes,
Our
sir.
hand. Okay. So I'm drawing the two circles here. Although there is without the circle, you can also do if you want. So this is the minute hand, and this is the circular path that it has covered in, suppose, 1 hour. Okay, and there is another circle for the hour hand. So this is the circular region that is covered by the hour hand. Okay, now minute hand covers one circular path in 60 minutes, in 1 hour. That means in one day, how many rotations will the minute hand take? Can you tell me in one day? How many rotations?
A minute hand.
Yes,
24.
24 rotations. Absolutely right. Because in 1 hour it completes one rotation. So 24 hours it will complete 24 rotations, right? So radius of the length of the minute hand is given 7 centimeter. That means this is the radius of this circle R1. Radius of this circle is 7 centimeter, and the radius of this circle R2, our hand वाला जो circle बन रहा है, the radius of this circle is, that means the length of the our hand is 4.2. That is the radius. Am I right or not? The length of the our hand is
Yes,
actually
sir.
the radius of the circle. Okay. So we have to find the distances covered by the tip.
Please explain the question.
That is what I am doing. बेटा मैं question थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ. I am explaining the question only. Okay.
Sir, I disconnected between.
The question is saying you have to find the distance that is covered by the tip of the minute hand and by the tip of the hour hand in one day. Okay. So tip of the minute hand in one rotation, what is the distance covered in one rotation by the tip of the minute hand? Is equal to
44.
circumference. Circumference. Distance covered by tip of minute hand in one rotation is equal to circumference. Okay, and distance covered in one day will be circumference multiplied by, let it be C1, circumference multiplied by 24, because it completes 24 rotations in one day. Similarly, distance covered by our hand is equal to, in one rotation, is equal to circumference again. Okay, and distance covered by our hand in one complete day. How many rotations our hand take in one day? Two rotations. In 12 hours it completes one rotation. So that means 12 hours plus 12 hours, 24 hours में कितने rotation हुए? Two rotations. So 2 into C2. Are you all getting it? So what is
Yes,
total
sir.
distance covered? Total distance covered will be 24 into C1 plus 2 into C2. दोनों के टिप से टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड कितना होगा? 24 into C1 plus 2 into C2. Okay. Let's find it. 24 into C1. What is C1? Circumference of the first circle. 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 plus 2 into C2. 2 pi r again. 2 into 22 upon 7 into C2. C2 is 4. Radius of the second circle is 4.2. Okay. Let's simplify. 24 into 2 into 22, that means 48 into 22, plus here we can remove this decimal, put a 10 in
So
the
sir,
box.
sir, need sir. Yes, sir.
So
Sir, 2
6
5 ja, 2 11 ja.
now,
Sir, 2
6
7
into 2
7
into
6 ja.
2 is 6 into 4 24 into 22 upon 10. We are not dividing by 10. What is 48 into 22? Everyone. 42 is 96. 9.
Sir, 1 minute.
96 plus 9, 1056.
Sir,
Plus
1556.
528 upon 10. Now
यार
we can divide by 1056 plus 52.8.
sir,
Add it.
20 fraction.
1108.8 centimeters. Is it correct? Please check the calculation. 1108.8 centimeters. Beta, I am very weak in calculation. Please check
No,
whether the
sir.
answer is correct or not.
Sir, can you please again explain 16 question?
16th.
Sir.
Sure, why not? First, everyone, please note down the question. It was a good question.
Yes, sir.
Lot of calculation in the question.
Sir, now last exercise left.
Absolutely right answer.
Last exercise also same as that.
Please note down the question, everyone. I hope you all have understood. Have you all understood the question or not?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 1056 plus 520 upon 10, we can cut also.
Beta,
10,
we are,
1056.
in the last period I told you, never divide when there is 10 in the denominator. Never do simplification. Directly you can write your answer in decimal 52.8. Why are you making your work difficult?
Yes, sir.
This is easy, or simplifying and then dividing by 5, that is easy. This is
Sir, this
easier.
is easy.
So
Yes, sir.
in the last period also I told you this, I gave you this tip.
Sir, next exercise is also same. That is area of circle.
Dr. Rangwar, did I explain the question 16 in the last class? Have you all noted this question, everyone? Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you, please reply. Have you all noted the question in your copy?
Yes, sir. I've replied.
Any other students? Okay. Is there only one student in the class? The other students are not present in the class. May I mark you all absent? You all are not replying. If you want, I can also remove you from the meeting if you all want. There is no use of there being there in the meeting if you are not interested in replying, if you are not interested in doing what the teacher is teaching you. Very good. One student has left the meeting himself. Other students also, if you don't want to sit in the class, you can leave the class. If you're not interested in replying, there is no use of sitting in the class. If you are attending it, be very attentive, be responsive in the class. Are you getting my point or not? Otherwise, don't attend the class simply. You can leave the meeting, all of you, those who don't want to reply. Leave it right now. I'm saying leave the meeting right now. You are not even replying, everyone. You are not even leaving the meeting. I don't know what you all are doing in here in the class. Daksh Gangwar, were you there in the last period when I explained question number 16?
No, sir.
You were not there. You missed it. This question.
Sir, in whom I practice all, but I cannot understand 16 one.
I'm saying, were you there in the last period I explained this question? Were you there when I was explaining?
No, sir.
Then you do one thing, you see the recording of that class. If you don't
Okay, sir.
understand, even then after seeing the recording, then you can ask me tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I will tell you. Okay, so the next exercise of the chapter is based on area of circle. We have already written the formula of area of circle. Everyone, one more time, I am just telling you the formula of area of circle. We now all know that radius, what is radius of circle, what is diameter of circle, we all know it very well now because we have done one exercise based on circumference. Now the area of a circle is pi. Pi is 22 upon 7 as you all know, and formula of area is pi r square. There is a square on r, that means the power of r is 2. Okay, so this will give you area of square, sorry, area of circle. So here as other areas, area of square you have studied, area of rectangle, area of parallelogram and all. You have noticed that the unit is centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, decimeter square. Same in this case also, the units will be depending on the sides, depending on the radius, what the radius is given. So it could be centimeter square, it could be meter square, it could be kilometer square, whatever. So that will be the unit of area. Okay. Now let us start with the exercise. Exercise 20F. Any doubt in the formula of area, all of you? Let me show you a question. Let me tell you how to use the formula of area of a circle. Question number 1, all of you. Exercise 20F. Question 1, first part. The radius of the circle is given 21 centimeters. We have to find the area. So write down the formula of area, pi r square.
No, sir.
Put
Pi
the
r square.
That is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I was sir. You are pi
22.
r.
Area of circle is pi r square. Value of pi is 22.7. Radius 21 into 21. Okay, r square means 21 multiplied by 21. Okay, now when you divide 21 by 7, you get 3. Multiply 22 into 3 into 21. What is the product? All of you. 21 into 66. Or you can do 63 into 22. Double of 63. 126. 12. 126 plus 12. 138. 1386 centimeters square. Is the product correct? All of you understood how to use the formula of area? Have you all understood how to use the formula of area of a circle? All of you
Yes, sir.
understood how to use the formula of area?
It is very easy.
Sushant Khare, have you understood? Sushant beta, I am removing you from the meeting and I will talk to your father today. Why
Yes,
are you
sir.
not opening your mic and replying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What were you doing earlier? Today I will call your father in the evening.
Sir, in
Okay?
the first class.
Just now, 5 minutes ago, when I was asking you all, what were you doing at that time?
Sir, I was just listening you.
Jasmine, I will call your mother also today in the evening. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All the students who are not replying, I have noted the name Atharv Saxena, Jasmine, Sushant, Utkarsh. And who else was there? Two more students were there in the class. They have now left. Who were the remaining two students?
Suksehaj and sir, I think Suksehaj. Sir, I think Suksehaj only was.
I will talk to his parents also. Okay, everyone, do the second part of this question. Post the answer in the group. Post the answer of second part.